pickles and ramps with ramp ranch ricotta? Why not? Let's go. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful white pizza. Here we go. We start off with my favorite Sopra ricotta Amalfi. Then we're going to add in the Carol Couture Cuisine Ramp Ranch Spice of the Month. Then we're going to grab our Fishtown pickles. We're going with Preston's Picks here, which are sort of a spicy, zesty bread and butter. Really unique flavor. I thought it would pair really well with this ranch. So we're going to dice these up and get them ready for the pizza. Let's get our pan, our par bake, start adding in the cheese. I always start with the perimeter cheese for the frico. We press it in a little bit, then we add the top cheese. Now we're going to throw on the pickles that we diced up. And now we're going to take a little bit of this Ramp Ranch seasoning and just sprinkle it on top generously. Pop it into our preheated Uni Volt, 550 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. Pop it out, let it rest in the pan for a few minutes, and then we're going to depan it. Now while that rests, let's get our ramps flashed in a pan with some Cordo olive oil. Super quick, only a few seconds in the pan. Now we're going to set those aside. Now let's grab some more ramp leaves, roll them up, and we're going to give them a little chiffonade. Okay, let's set those aside. Grab our pizza, grab our ramped ranch ricotta, place it in a piping bag, pipe it onto the pizza, take our chiffonade, and then our sauteed ramps, place them nicely. Let's cut it up into 6 slices. Take a look at the finished pizza. Let's grab a slice, check the crumb, and there you go. Pickles and ramps with Ramp Ranch Ricotta Detroit-style pizza.